Welcome students. In this video we are going to see few more problems from exercise 2.5 based on identities. So now evaluate the following using suitable identities. So we have 102 whole cube. So now 102 again is very nearer to 100. So we can do it as 100 plus 2 whole cube. And now by using the identity a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus thrice a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now here a is equal to 100 and b is equal to 2. Now putting the values of a and b in the right hand side of the identity and calculating will give you the answer. So let us see. So that is equal to 102 whole cube is equal to 100 cube plus 3 into 100 square into 2 plus 3 into 100 into 2 square plus 2 cube. Now here one suggestion again. First you should go for calculating the powers. Is it okay, like 100 square, 2 square and then multiplication. So you will get as the 100 cube is very easy to calculate. There are 2 zeros, so 2 into 3 6 zeros, so you can put 6 zeros on one. Similarly 100 square is very easy to calculate. It is 10,000 and 10,000 into 3 30,000 into 2 60,000 and 2 square is 4 and then 4 3s are 12, so 1200 plus 8. If it is possible for you to add horizontally, you can add horizontally or you can arrange them vertically to get the answer. So similar type of question is the next question, in which we are going to again find out cube of 998. Now this number is nearer to 1000 and it is less than 1000, so it will be 1000 minus 2 whole cube. Is it clear? Now which identity we are going to use? A minus b whole cube. So a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. You can use any form of this identity. You can even go with a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. That also will give you the same answer. Again here a is equal to, how much is a? So a is equal to 1000. If necessary you can write in this way, or b is equal to 2 and put the values in the identity and get the answer. So now again 1000 cube minus 3 into 1000 square into 2 and 3 into 1000 into 2 square minus 2 cube. Now 1000 cube. So again you have to be very careful writing zeros because there are 9 zeros. So write numbers properly, arrange them vertically and calculate the answer. Is it clear, children? Now factorize each of the following. So again a given expression you have to verify with the right hand side of the identities and select suitable identities. Now here there are 4 terms if you observe, and 2 terms are perfect cubes, 8a cube and b cube. 8a cube is cube of 2a cube, isn't it? 2a whole cube will be 8a cube and b cube is cube of b. Now the remaining 2 terms, are they matching with 3x square y and 3xy square? That we have to see, so that we can go with the identity x plus y whole cube. Because for cube we have 2 identities, x plus y whole cube and x minus y cube. So here all the terms are positive, so first we will check it with x plus y whole cube. Is it clear? So now we write and check whether these terms are matching with the identity x plus y whole cube. So now 2a cube plus b cube. Now first term is, or x is here, is twice a and second is b. So is it 3x square y, like 3 into 2a square b? So see 2a square will be 4a square into 3 12a square b. So you will find here these 2 terms are same. Similarly, if you go with this, the terms are same. That means this particular expression, the given expression, is exactly matching with the right hand side of the identity x plus y whole square, where x here is twice a and y here is b. Again, let me remind you, if the expression is in a and b, you can use identity in the form of x and y. Okay, so which identity we are going to select, children? X plus y whole cube. Is it clear? So Using identity x plus y whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3x y square. Now we have given the right hand side and we have to get the left hand side. We write the given expression is equal to twice a plus b whole cube. So we should identify x and y here by comparing the identity with given expression. Now as factorized, so we will write the answer as twice a plus b into twice a plus b into twice a plus b. Now the next problem is very similar. So in this case, actually there are negative terms, so we will go for x minus y cube, because again there are 4 terms, and if you carefully observe, the first 2 terms are perfect cubes. Are you getting? 27 and minus 125 a cube. So are they perfect cube? So 3 cube and 5a cube. What is cube of 5? Now here the cubes of some number should be known to you. 5 cube is 125. Okay. Now let us go for this term. Is it 3a x square y? So now here x is 3 and y is 5a. So if you do x square, it will be 9. 9 into 5, 45. 45a into 3. Yes, minus 135. It is matching. Similarly, verify for 225. Is it 3ab square or 3xy square? So 3 into y square. Y square is 5a whole square, that is 25a square. So 25 into 3, 75, and 75 into 3, 225. So all these mind calculations will help you to identify or select the suitable identity. Getting? So now we write it as 3 cube minus 5a cube minus 3 into 3 square into 5a, and then this. So all these things are done just to verify whether the terms in the given expression are matching with the right hand side of the identity x minus y whole cube. So yes, they are matching with x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. That means this particular expression can be factorized in this format, that is x minus y whole cube, and here x will be equal to 3 and y will be equal to 5a. This is very important, identification of these values. If you commit mistake in identifying these values, then answer will be wrong. Understood? So now therefore we write the given expression is equal to 3 minus 5a whole cube, and that is 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a. One more problem wherein we are again coming across rational numbers. So again, if you observe carefully, so this is perfect cube. 1 upon 216. 216 is cube of 6. Is it okay? Then let us check with the other values. So we write it. It is 3p whole cube, that is 27p cube. Then 1 upon 216 is cube of 1 by 6. Then coming to these two terms, 3 minus 3 into 3p square, that is x square. What is x here? 3p. What is y here? 1 by 6. So we have a sign. Now 3 into 3p square. 3p square is equal to 9p square. 9 into 3 upon 6. So what will happen? This 3 will cancel and 2. So are you getting 9 by 2 p square? So yes, it is 9 by 2 p square. Similarly, verify for this term and this term. Okay, so now it is 3. That is 3 into x, that is 3p into y square, that is 1 by 6 whole square. Now 9 and 1 upon 6, you cannot cancel 3 right now. First you need to do the squaring. So it will be like 3 into 3 into 1 by 6 into 1 by 6. So now you can cancel it and you will find 3 3s are 9, 6 6 are 36. So answer will come 1 by 4 p. Is it same? So we say yes. So again we have compared that the steps, this expression, given expression is same as right hand side of the identity x minus y whole cube, and therefore we write using the same identity. Now here it is p, so we can go with a minus b, and hence we write It is cube of 3p minus 1 by 6. Are you getting how to compare, children? You must understand and you should work on this kind of problem. Okay. So 3p minus 1 by 6 whole cube. So 3p minus 1 by 6, 3p minus 1 by 6 and 3p minus 1 by 6. Is it okay? Remaining problems you will solve of your own. Now verify. Now verify, it is very easy. You have to prove LHS is equal to RHS. So whichever expressions are there in LHS and RHS, you have to simplify and show that they are equal. Now these two results are actually the identities. So you will remember these results as identities only. X cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Now these can be verified or can be proved also. So we are here verifying, so we will make it simple. If you observe, left hand side we can't do much there because it is sum of cube of two numbers, but RHS can be simplified by multiplying. Is it okay? So we will keep LHS as it is and we will go for simplifying RHS. So we write RHS, we open the bracket. Now it is x into x square x cube, x into minus xy will be minus x square y, then x into y square. I'll use arrows, x into y square, it will be x square y. Similarly multiply by y, so y into x square, here I have written simply x square y. Are you getting? Instead of writing y x square, can I write it as x square y? Then y into minus xy, it will be minus xy square. Then y into y square, it will be y cube. Is it okay? So we have simplified it and now we will see whether we can further reduce it. So you will find minus x square y and plus x square y. They are like terms with complementary sign. They are additive inverse of each other. So these two terms will be cancelled. Similarly, xy square and minus xy square. Can we cancel these terms? So these terms are also cancelled. Now what is left there? X cube plus y cube. Are you getting? So we got the result here. So after cancelling the terms, what do we obtain? We obtain it as x cube plus y cube. We obtain it as x cube plus y cube. Now the second result also is of similar kind. So x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. See, so now once again we will expand RHS here and it is x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Again by using distributive property, we are going to multiply by x. So x into x square. So let me take the first step. Yes, so let me explain. X into x square, it will be x cube. X into xy, it will be x square y. X into y square, it will be xy square. Now you are going to multiply by minus y. So minus y into x square. Instead of writing minus y into x square, I will write it as minus x square y. Because that becomes easy. To maintain alphabetical order in writing variable is always suggested. Now minus y into xy, it will be minus xy square, and then minus y into y square will be minus y cube. So multiplication has to be done very carefully. So now you got, again can we cancel the terms? X square y will cancel with minus x square y. Xy square will cancel with minus xy square. And then what is left there, children? It is only x cube minus y cube. Okay. So is it equal to LHS? So yes, so we have verified. But these two identities, which two identities? This one and the previous one, x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. It's very important result and it is identity also. It is identity only. So you have to learn these two identities because we use these identities for further solving. Are you getting? So we have written 8 identities, these 2 additional identities, that now the number of identities are 10. Are you getting? I hope you have understood. Write down properly. Write the solutions properly in your classwork. Thank you, children.